Welcome to Open House Tuesdays. Today I find myself at Sunset Harbour, the South Tower. There are two towers, north and south. Today we're featuring a 2-bedroom, 2-bath facing northeast. Now this unit, it's a really nice layout. You have a split plan floor plan for privacy. And now you also have two private balconies. One of them is gonna face the brand new convention center that's heading east of your view. And the other private balcony faces the north side. And you have views of the marina and also a beautiful sunsets when you're sitting out there having your little coffee at the end of the day. Well, I'm gonna take you around to see the unit so you understand a little bit of what the layouts are here in Sunset Harbour. It is an excellent location because you can walk to Publix, Whole Foods, shopping. There's yoga classes right next door. You have Black Panther coffee. You have breakfast spots. And you can also go to the movie theater just down the street on Lincoln Road. And when families and friends are coming over and you're looking for something to do on the weekends that is fun and active, well, just few steps away, you can get kayaks, canoes, paddleboarding, all kinds of fun activities under the sun. So I'm gonna take you around, you get to see the unit, and if you have any questions, add them to the comments. And if there's any other property you would like featured on the video, just let me know. I love to take you in.